Next, a suspect in the disappearance of British toddler Madeleine McCann has been acquitted of unrelated sexual abuse charges by a court in the German city of Brunswick. Christian Brückner has been formally identified as a suspect in the case of Madeleine McCann, who disappeared from her bedroom in 2007 during a family holiday in Portugal. He denies any involvement. In the trial in Brunswick, Brückner faced 3 charges of aggravated rape and 2 of sexual abuse of children committed between 2000 and 2017. Our correspondent Damien McGuinness is in Berlin and explained what happened in court.
So judges have just announced that they have acquitted Christian Brückner of these current charges. He had been accused of 5 separate cases of rape and child abuse. Judges said this morning that there is not enough evidence to say that he's guilty of these charges. A lot of the evidence that was presented in court was testimonies from people who said that they'd heard things from Christian Brückner and videos that witnesses said they'd seen but that haven't been presented as evidence themselves. So judges came to the conclusion that there was no evidence linking Christian Brückner to these 5 separate cases. But that doesn't mean that Christian Brückner will be released, because he's already in jail on another separate case. That's the rape of an American tourist almost 20 years ago in the same region where Madeleine McCann went missing on the Algarve. So as things stand, Mr. Brückner will be in jail, will remain behind bars despite the acquittal of these 5 cases, will remain behind bars until September. And of course, these 2 separate cases are different again to the case of the disappearance of Madeleine McCann. Christian Brückner, though, is seen by German prosecutors as the main suspect in that case, but he still hasn't been charged in relation to the disappearance of Madeleine McCann.
Thanks to Damien.